What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video we are going to review the BFarm. Okay guys, so this is an ROI dapp on Binance Smart Chain and it was launched yesterday. Okay, so far the total BNB stake is 70, okay, which is a lot for the ROI dapp. Okay, and more we are starting to see more ROI dapps coming back into the season. Okay, so it seems like the ROI dapp season is starting slowly, but it's starting. Okay, so this project has been audited by Ace Crypto. Okay, so let's see what Ace Crypto has to say about this project. And Ace Crypto audit found no backdoors, no scam scripts, so the contract is good to go. Okay, so over here we can see that there are some warnings, and the issue is the high issue because this is an ROI dapp. Okay, guys, so only invest funds that you can afford to lose if something goes wrong. Okay, guys, so this project offers you three packages or three plans, whatever you want to call it. Okay, and I'm going to talk more about those packages. Okay, so every time you deposit there will be a 15% tax on your deposit, and also every time you deposit half, I'm going to explain more about this one, there will be a 10% tax on there as well. Okay, the owner has no privileges, no access to the project contract, and there is no function in the contract that only the owner can call. Okay, so cool, that's good to know. So that means the owner, once he deployed a smart contract, he had no access to the smart contract. Okay, so this is an ROI dapp. Okay, so over here on the white paper you can learn more about the project. I'm going to leave to you for you to read it and fully understand if you're not familiar with this kind of project. Okay, so how to get started. Okay, over here we have the wallet. Once you come over here, you hit connect wallets, MetaMask will pop up, you accept the connection, and your wallet will pop up right there. And over here we got the dashboard. Total BNB staked, total BNB withdrawn, and total BNB referral earnings. Okay, cool. And scrolling down, we can see that we have three plans. The first plan you will earn 140%, and your plan will be locked up, or your BNB will locked up for 8 days. The second plan, you will earn 188%, and your stake will be locked up for 16 days. And the third plan, you will earn 242%, and your plan will be locked up for 25 days. Okay, so how does it go? So all you got to do is come over here, enter the amount that you want to deposit. The minimum is 0.05 BNB. You hit deposit, pay the MetaMask gas fee, and you are rolling. Okay, and essentially that's how it goes to the other plans. Okay, so remember guys, once you make your stake, okay, you will no longer be able to withdraw your deposit. Okay, the way you're going to make money is by earning daily dividends and referral commissions. Okay, so you stake your BNB and then you can only claim back your BNB after the locking period ends. Okay, essentially that's just how it goes. And if you go for the higher plans, okay, lockup plans, you got 2% giveaway bonus instant credit, and this one will give you 3% giveaway bonus instant credit. Okay, scrolling further down, we can see our stats. Okay, so once you make a deposit or whatever, you'll be able to see the BNB available in your wallets, the BNB referral commissions right here, and total BNB withdrawn, self-explanatory. Okay, over here we have the referral link. So once you make your first deposit, right, you will be able to copy this referral link, share it with your family, friends, social media, whoever joins the platform under your referral link, you will get a referral commission. Okay, the referral commissions goes into 5 levels: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so the level 1 is where you're on the highest 5% rewards on each deposit under your referral link. So level 2, you'll get 3%, level 3, you'll get 1%, level 4 and 5, you'll get 0.5% rewards, okay? Over here is where you're going to be able to withdraw your rewards after the locking period ends, okay? Depending on the contract, on the plan that you've chosen to roll with, okay? So over here we have two options. The withdraw is to fully withdraw the whole amount, okay, 100%, or withdraw half, okay? So that means, so for example, you have, let's say, 10 BNB over here to collect, okay? So if you draw half, okay, 50 BNB will go to your wallet, and the other 50% will pay a 10% tax and will be redeposit, okay? So that means you'll be rolling with another plan and so on, okay, guys? So you exponentially earn more rewards, okay? Essentially, that's that, and it is very simple to play about with this project, okay? So if you want to check the smart contract, you click over here, and over here will take you to the smart contract where you can see the code, you can see the transactions, and you can see the analytics, okay? We can see how everything's been playing out, okay? Cool. What else I want to show you? So if you don't have BNB, you can buy BNB Pancake Swap, buy BNB on Changingly, on BNB on BNB on Uniswap. So you got a lot of options in order to buy BNB. And also, if you're not familiar with this project, if you have any questions, come over here to the TG group. Okay, TG group has 767 members, currently 62 online, and ask as many questions as you want. And also, tomorrow, 6th of October 2023 at 1 p.m. UTC time at Crypto Trust Community Venue, they will be doing an voice AMA. Okay, so if you have any questions, just come over here to the AMA and ask as many questions as you have. And keep in mind, they will be a giveaway, okay? $50 giveaway. So if you want to earn money for free, you got nothing to lose. Just come over here and enter this AMA and find out more information about how to participate in this giveaway. Okay, over here we got the rules and everything. Okay, that being said, guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. All the links gonna be down in the description. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.